Alright everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So as you guys remember yesterday, at the end of yesterday's video, I said I was going to cut in these boxes, a couple receptacles, quadplex, low voltage data, mud ring, and this is all the stuff I was going to use.
We interrupt this program for an important news announcement.
So anyways, that all went out the window this morning, and we went ahead and got news to go upstairs and work on another operating room. So that was the cut-in box that we were starting to cut in. After an hour, someone came in and said, hey, we want it on a different wall. So I went ahead and started working on this hole right here. And there was a ginormous HVAC duct above it. So I went ahead and moved it over here to this third spot. And that one finally worked. I did have to cut another handhole because I tried for like 30 minutes to get this lock ring on or whatever on the two-piece connector. So I finally just gave up because sometimes that's just what you have to do. Anyways, got the flex over to the EMT up top once again with the string pulled through it. And then from the other existing 2-inch 90, pulled the string through that over to the cabinet. And then worked on a shutdown cart prep for the rest of the day, kinda, and some other things. And that was pretty much mostly my day, mostly just working on this operating room. Took a little bit longer than normal, but still finished it within the day with a lot of time left over. So anyways, that was my day. Don't have anything else for you to cover the rest of the day, but hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace.